Overview of vitamins. Vitamins are chemically unrelated organic compounds that cannot be synthesized in adequate quantities by humans and therefore must be supplied by the diet. Vitamins are required to perform specific cellular functions. For example, many of the water-soluble vitamins are precursors of coenzymes for the enzymes of intermediary metabolism. In contrast to the water-soluble vitamins, only one fat-soluble vitamin, vitamin K, has a coenzyme function. Vitamins can be classified as water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins. They can be classified vitamin C and vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex again can be classified into two: hematopoietic and energy releasing. Folic acid and vitamin B12 are hematopoietic. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6 are energy releasing. All water-soluble vitamins wash out easily from body except B12 and B9. B12 stored in liver for 3 to 4 years. B9 stored in liver for 3 to 4 months. B complex deficiencies often result in dermatitis, glossitis, and diarrhea. Fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. Their absorption dependent on ileum and pancreas. Fat-soluble vitamins toxicity more common than water-soluble vitamins because fat-soluble vitamins accumulate in fat. Malabsorption syndromes like cystic fibrosis and celiac disease can cause fat-soluble vitamin deficiencies.